this is a mass product sniper rifle, which is basically improved model. This model of СВ-98.
Она тоже серийно выпускается, поставляется в Министерство обороны.
It's made in mass and we supplied for the Ministry of Defense of Russia. In comparison with the previous model of the sniper rifle СВ-98, we have exchanged the wooden stock, replaced it by the steel stock. Aluminium stock, better to say. Now we have special unit to mount the Picatinny and mount other scopes, and the silencer is used also with this. In spite of the fact that the ammunition which is used with this sniper rifle is hardly to be called a sniper rifle special ammunition. However, the military guys, they run several tests, and on the distances, shooting on the distances of 1 kilometer, 1,000 meters, they took a target 1 by 1 meter.
Попали сериями с 10, все 10 с поперечником 60 сантиметров.
They shot all 10 rounds and they penetrated the target with the angle of firing 60 millimeters. It's very good. That's what very precise sniper rifle, in spite that we use a standard ammunition, 7.62 by 54. However, we believe that the bolt action, we believe that the bolt action rifles of this system probably will be replaced by the semi-automatic assault rifles.